2 weeks ago, we asked you to help us choose our next recipe.
Yes.
You responded. Today, let's do it. Shaulan, would you do the honor?
So at LK-UZ2PG has said book 3, page 145.
And book 3 definitely has
That's
page
got
145.
about 1,000 pages, isn't it?
Yep. Yeah. This is crab brown meat fouillon, which I suppose is some egg thingy.
Yeah, yep.
All right. Well, we'll go shopping and see you guys in
an hour.
So, after what we thought would be one of the easier shopping trips, we have a problem.
Little problem.
We bought lard, and the recipe, after a bit of Googling, requires a kilo of lard.
So we've got
250.
some lard. What we need is 4 times that.
Yep. To be fair, for a 5-second process,
Yes.
and then they throw most of that away.
But I am going to do this because it's in the book.
He's going to buy that. But knowing we need chicken fat and chicken stock just to save time, while Shaulan runs out to buy another kilo of lard, chicken, Poussin, just for more fat, ginger, scallion, pressure cooker. Even though we only need 250 grams, we're gonna meet the minimum line.
Evan's going to have
cooker.
lots of chicken stock to cook lots of things in.
We bring this to pressure and, well, for the duration of Shaulan running out to buy lard. So, see you guys in half an hour. We're back.
We have the correct amount of lard.
I think this is the most lard we've seen in this the history of this kitchen combined.
Yes.
I'll melt the lard, season the wok.
Yep.
While Shaulan
chops some vegetables.
Chops some veg.
Whisks some eggs.
Oh, and separate some egg white. Yeah. All right.
Usually I want to keep the egg yolk.
Well, we can keep the yolks.
Yes.
We should keep the yolks.
I was keeping the yolks for you. I've done it again. I just want to keep the yolks.
Just crack all of them and grab the yolks.
No, I'll just do it properly the next time.
Ready?
Yep.
Look at that.
If that doesn't make you happy, I don't know what will.
We have white, yolks, coriander, wash and sterilize. And then you cut them into 1 centimeter.
Yep.
5 grams of scallion. So
there's definitely 5 grams
right.
there.
Yeah. And we need 5 grams of ginger. All right, you're the pro. Do you want to do the 1 gram of salt?
1 gram is more than that.
You think?
Yeah, which is quite a lot of salt.
I think we stick to that.
Yep.
Starch slurry, 5 grams. You ready?
Yeah. Do I go fast or slow?
I don't know.
Okay, mix it one more time.
Okay.
Yep. And let's go with...
Go. It says keep moving. I'm scared it would stick to the, well, stick to everything, really. Yeah. They're not really coagulating, huh?
No.
Maybe we give it some time and not...
Yeah, but
do we want them to set or not?
I mean, the whole idea of it should be set.
It says until...
Oh, no. It's sticking.
To the bottom?
Yeah.
Like sticking or?
That's really weird.
Yeah. It's not gonna stick.
No, I don't think it will be golden. I don't think it will be golden.
Okay.
So I think if I keep stirring it, it'll be fine. Because I think they're set now anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're good to start extracting now.
Is it gonna work?
Is that fouillon?
Yeah, very. Well, after this, the cooking begins.
Can imagine. It's going to be really quick, no?
Yeah. We wipe this down?
Yeah.
Before we deal with, and then we can add back some fat.
I like how you...
What the just happened?
The paper towel went in there, didn't it?
I'm sorry, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you ready?
No. Yes.
Somehow, is this?
That's just got a little bit of pork
okay.
fat, yeah.
This much?
Yep.
I think we can go. Smells nice.
Well, yes, chicken stock.
And lard.
And lard.
Does it go in straight away?
No idea.
Well, probably, yeah. Should we reduce the heat a bit?
No, because they wouldn't do that. And then I dare say that they're going to put it straight in the bowl now.
Yeah? Okay.
Wait, no. Let it thicken up a little
yeah.
bit. Yeah.
Oopsies, huh?
Did you reduce the heat or it reduced?
Oh, I did.
Yeah, because
When the
it's gonna...
fouillon went in,
Yeah. Now I think we're good.
Yeah.
I think that's... When it starts to bubble like that, it's usually a little bit thick, but not...
Full size.
It'll be fine. Just trust in
It'll
it.
be fine now.
Yeah. Let's go again.
Yeah, what are we doing now? Let's bring it back to 180 first.
We're going in with more of this.
Yes. And
In
then
with
that.
this.
Yes.
Chicken fat.
And then the vinegar. And
Chicken fat and vinegar in here.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna oil this before it starts to smoke too much. Shall we?
Yep, go.
The liquid's gonna burn over.
Yeah. I'm just going to add the sugar
Yes, please.
out of the bag because you didn't tell me there was sugar in it.
I'm sorry. I thought it was your specialty. You always have that. Okay. 180 is fast. I think the thing needs to come in. Yep. Sugar, yeah. Let's go. I think that's good.
Yep.
Bit of salt.
This definitely needs a bit more setup. Shaoxing wine.
Shaoxing wine a bit. Thank you.
Need to up the temperature.
Oh. Yep.
Chicken
vinegar.
fat?
No, yeah. Chicken fat, vinegar later, I think. To cook it out a bit.
This is terribly unorganized.
Looks great though.
Yeah, that's going to be a comedy part.
I don't think it will go back to 180 meaningfully just because
No.
of the temperature. I think maybe we lower the heat a bit so it doesn't burn.
No, just keep stirring it. They would have done it on a
Yeah.
fire.
But they always lift and they go
Yeah.
back. They lift and go back.
Okay, well,
What do you think about the consistency?
I think we're probably just about there.
Vinegar first or chicken fat first? Vinegar. I think that's good. Yeah.
Can I say I'm glad there's vinegar in there because
Yeah.
that
It's
will
gonna be so
definitely take the richness down. Chicken fat? Am I going with
Not
all
that
of
much.
it?
Give me. Yeah, that's good.
I think we're good there.
I think goes on top. Cover
Right.
it. Because it says a bit of white, a bit of green, a bit of. Maybe we do half. Just
Yeah,
so
do it on half.
Oh, you're the plater, actually. Sorry.
This is why we should have blanched the...
Yes.
I told you.
Looks good though.
It does look good.
Looks incredible actually. And that is
Yep.
thank you at capital LK-UZ2PG.